Hey cooks, it's Wednesday. I thought today we would take a tour of my 4th of July tablescape. Tablescaping has become one of my favorite hobbies. I love putting together a tablescape for holidays, for special events, and even for every day. This year, 4th of July is no exception. So join me as we take a tour of my 4th of July tablescape for 2019. So here is the tablescape. I started off with simple flatware. I've used these in other tablescapes. And I used a basic white plate, and I used these bandanas. I used these a couple years ago for 4th of July. I just put a white napkin inside, and then the bandana, wine glass, and a glass for water. I don't think this is a water glass, but I'm using it for that. So I got these firework lights off of Amazon. I thought they were adorable, particularly for 4th of July. These came from Temptations. It's the firework pattern of floral lace. I really like those, and there are my cute little sparklers. So this centerpiece is also a firework pattern. It is a picture, and I just put these American flags in there. I thought that was really cute. I also got this little sign at the Christmas tree shop. So the placements I got at Aldi, they were like $1.89 a piece. I thought that was great. I paired that with the plain white plate, and I didn't use a charger because I thought that there was so much pattern in the placemat that I didn't really need that. So the table runner is from Michaels. I've used this a lot. I usually put this table runner, and then I put one on top of it to match the seasons, so it gives it sort of, you know, that rustic feel. This time I didn't know if I wanted to go blue or red. I didn't want to create too much color in it, and I didn't have a white table runner, so I used these platters from the firework platters sort of in place of a table runner. Again, love these little sparklers. Thank you for joining me for this What's Up Wednesday, where we looked at my 4th of July tablescape. I hope you guys have a really, really nice 4th of July. You make tasty food, and you all enjoy it. Happy cooking, happy celebrating, and happy 4th of July.